Welcome, guys, to the Meet Damien channel. I am Damien, and in today's live stream, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and the altcoins and how altcoin season has already started. We're going to be looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart to see why that is happening and how that's occurring, and then we're going to look at the US dollar, USD. We're going to look at the US Tether, USDT chart dominance and see how that is also showing that altcoin season has started. And then we'll start talking about these altcoins. We'll talk about XRP. XRP is having a big day today as far as CBS is doing an interview of Brad Garlinghouse on the 60-minute program. And we'll also talk about some of the decentralized exchanges and what's going on with Solana and Solana meme coins. It's going to be a very interesting live stream here. But let's get started with Bitcoin first, and then we'll look at the Bitcoin dominance, and then we'll look at Tether dominance here. Okay. For my TikTok streamers, give me a second here. I'm going to flip the camera over so you can see what we're looking at here. Okay. But yeah, that's the Bitcoin chart right here that we're looking at. Okay. And Bitcoin is currently trading at $100,034, just holding slightly above $100,000. We've been having sideways trading. You can look at these little small indecision candles here, okay, where it's not really going up or down, okay? And when it has gone up, it goes right back to where it just opened up, okay? So like here on Saturday, yesterday, Bitcoin opened at $99,885, and then it closed at $99,929. Barely any movement. It only went up $37 yesterday. And then today, we're only up $104. Okay, Bitcoin opened at $99,919, and we're currently at $100,040. So that is also showing indecision, not really much. A bunch of sideways trading. If you ask me, they're doing stop loss hunting here on the weekends. We might get a more significant move when Wall Street starts opening up tomorrow morning, on Monday morning. But the futures market is going to be opening up at like about an hour from now. So maybe we might start seeing some more movement here on Bitcoin later on tonight. But I'm expecting a bigger significant move on Bitcoin going into tomorrow on Monday morning here. Okay. But let's look at the Bitcoin dominance, okay? So you guys can see why I think altcoin season is starting up. So if I go over to BTC dominance, okay? For those who are using TradingView, okay, you would just type in BTC.D right there, and you get the market cap dominance for Bitcoin, okay? And right now the market cap dominance for Bitcoin is currently sitting at 55%. It was about, I believe, 60% about a couple of weeks ago. Okay. So if anybody was wondering or thinking or just contemplating if altcoin season has started, it basically started like right here on Thursday, November 21st, which I think was like when Bitcoin almost hit 100 grand. Okay. Altcoin season started on Thursday, November 21st, because look, Bitcoin dominance was at like 60% here. It got as high as 61%. And now we're currently sitting at 55%. So the altcoins are starting to steal market share from Bitcoin, at least temporarily. But you can see that, Bitcoin dominance has been in an ascending channel ever since like November of 2022. Okay. And if I, was to draw a supply line here, okay, I'm sorry, a demand line, okay, you can see that we basically respected that line all throughout the last couple of years, and now we're breaking through that line. We're breaking through this trend line here, and it's just signifying that altcoin season is finally here. Guys, if you like that, go ahead and click the like button. Show me how much you love your altcoins by clicking that like button so we can get more people to see this stream, and we can get more people to look at these altcoins that you guys are going to request for me. I'm going to be taking some requests for your altcoins later on in the stream. We are going to talk about XRP and Solana at some point, okay? But yeah, we're focusing here on Bitcoin, and then we're going to be talking about the altcoins, okay, guys? But yeah, let's look at we're looking at Bitcoin dominance right now. Currently sitting at 55%. Okay, just scrolling back, trying to get a little bit of history here. The dominance has been as low as like 40%. Okay, back in like 2021, when we did have an altcoin season, we seen dominance as low as 40%. So we still have some room to go here. With the Bitcoin dominance dropping down, if it can get into the 40%, then you definitely know for damn sure that we are in altcoin season. But that actually might be the end of altcoin season for those who are wondering when the altcoin season is going to end. Okay, we could probably see altcoin season ending when we get to like 40% on the mark on the Bitcoin dominance here. So right now we're safe here at 55%, and it is dropping, indicating that altcoins are getting some love here and some attention. But we like to see that drop even more to really get some more money going into the altcoins here. Let's look at US dollar, USD tether dominance, so you guys can understand like what else is going on in the market as far as altcoin seasons starting up here. Okay, so right now the tether dominance. Tether is a stable coin that's in the cryptocurrency world that people use to basically. It's like a dollar, like every coin's a dollar, but you're not in actual US dollars. So it is a cryptocurrency that tries to match the equal value of $1. Okay, but a lot of people use their tether to go and buy altcoins and even Bitcoin. Okay, and what you can see here on the chart, on the daily chart here for tether, okay, is tether dominance has been dropping ever since like September 8th, okay? And then it took a big dip right after Donald Trump got elected. And then, after the United States presidential election came to an end on November 5th, that was also the same day that tether dominance started dropping. So people are now using their tether to buy other cryptos like Bitcoin, but we're probably buying the altcoins as well, okay? Because we've seen Bitcoin's dominance go down. So where is that tether going? It's going into these altcoins. So that's just another reason why I think altcoin season is starting here, guys. And look at this. I mean, this could possibly be a double bottom, and maybe tether dominance goes up. So be on the lookout. Be careful. This week is kind of crucial. We don't know what's going to happen next with Bitcoin and crypto. If Bitcoin starts to drop, then I'm expecting tether dominance to actually start to increase because the altcoins will take a drop as well. And if Bitcoin's dropping and altcoins are dropping, then then tether is most likely going to increase in its dominance here. So this could ping pong back up. However, if we are bullish on crypto here, then this should break through. If this breaks through this level here at basically where we're at right now, 3.8, okay, on the market cap dominance for tether, it could signify that a lot of people are going to just ape into crypto, and then we could see tether dominance get down to like maybe like 2.5% here, okay, like it did back in like 2021. Okay, so we're getting very close to seeing a lot of money pour into altcoin season here. Okay. We would like to see tether dominance come down some more, and we want to see the Bitcoin dominance also come down some more as well for you altcoin holders out there. Guys, if you're in the live chat, tell me what altcoin is your favorite altcoin. Tell me which altcoin you want me to actually look at next. Okay. We're going to continue talking about XRP over here. Okay. For you XRP investors, I have some good news for you guys. All right. As soon as this ad stops playing here, and I might have to turn the music down here too. But let me just go on to this news article here first. Okay. So this is what to expect from Ripple. XRP is going to be doing a interview on 60 Minutes here, guys. And they're saying here, will XRP hit $3? XRP, right? XRP CEO Brad Garlinghouse, is going to be appearing on the CBS 60-minute program on Sunday, December 8th, which is tonight. I think that's around like 7 p.m. East Coast time. The episode is expected to highlight Ripple's ongoing efforts to secure regulatory clarity in the United States crypto market. Through a post on his X account, Garlinghouse announced he will be attending the interview, which will be posted later on CBS's website. The discussion will most likely highlight the implication of Ripple's win against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, which the crypto community views as a significant development for the broader industry. Ripple's legal battle with SEC drew criticism towards SEC Chairman Gary Gensler. Industry leaders, including Solana co-founder Anatoly Yakovlevich, have described the SEC's approach as restrictive and detrimental to crypto innovation. Crypto enthusiasts expect these concerns to feature prominently during the interview. Sorry, guys, I have to clear my throat here. But that interview is going to be on 60 Minutes and is happening on Sunday, December 8th. Okay, so probably after you guys are done watching my stream, you can go right on to watching the 60-minute interview with Brad Garlinghouse. Okay. I think I had like a short clip that I wanted to show you guys here of the Ripple CEO. Yeah, let me just refresh this here, guys. And let me go ahead and share this for YouTube streamers. So we have CBS here. They have like a small clip here.
From celebration moments to joyride moments, your moments are worth protecting against RSV. RSV is a highly contagious virus.
Yeah, Steve
if you're 60 or
XRP
older
to the
with certain
sun,
chronic conditions, you're at higher risk of being hospitalized from RSV. And there are no prescription RSV treatments. You know how to protect against COVID and flu. So ask your pharmacist or doctor about scheduling Pfizer's RSV vaccine too. Because moments like these matter.
There we go.
Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse says the SEC's approach was the main reason his company and two others created the biggest industry super PAC called Fairshake.
People are like, why did these companies come together and organize and say, this matters? And it's a reaction to a war on crypto.
So if there had been a different SEC chair than Gary Gensler,
I'm not sure Fairshake would exist.
Really?
Absolutely.
In response, an SEC spokesperson said any amount spent by the crypto industry on legal defense or influence peddling pales in comparison to the savings lost by crypto investors to frauds and failures.
And that's pretty much it.
Brought to you by Pfizer.
That was a little sneak preview of the interview that's going to be happening at 7 p.m. East Coast time here on CBS. With Brad Garlinghouse being interviewed by 60 Minutes here. Okay, but let's take a look at the XRP's price to see what it's done this weekend and what it might do in the near future here. Okay. All right. Looks like XRP is currently trading at $2.59. Oh, let me mess up the camera there for a second. $2.59 here, guys. And wow, look at XRP just shooting up like a rocket here. Okay. I have done some previous Fibonacci analysis here. My Fib analysis said that the XRP should settle down near $2.32. It's slightly above that level. Then we also have a $3.46 price target on XRP. XRP was creating a descending triangle here, which, you know, if it broke down, it could have went down as far as $1.46. Okay, but thank God it didn't. Okay, we're still in play here on XRP. XRP, it looks like it's now trying to break out to the upside out of this descending triangle here. And if it does, you know, you just basically take from the top of the triangle to the bottom, the base of the triangle, and you put it out towards like where we're breaking out right now. It gives you a price target, a short-term price target that XRP could be at $2.94, that blue number right there. That is my short-term price target for XRP here in December. Let's see. They have a fact of the day here. Let's read what this fact of the day is saying here, guys. So let me just zoom in for you guys here. Fact of the day: XRP surged 35% after December drop to $2.22. Whales acquired over 120 million XRP, raising their total to $4.7 billion. Currently, XRP trades at $2.57 with a daily volume of $12.03 billion of daily volume. XRP is actually, if you look at Coinbase shows that XRP is trading more volume than Bitcoin itself. So that's very interesting. I've noticed that on the volumes for Coinbase here. If there is a bearish case for XRP, let's just take a look at the moving averages to see like where it could get some support. We do have the daily 21 EMA. That's the white line right here. Should give support at $1.82, but that's also creeping up higher. So the longer we stay above, $2 here on XRP, the likelihood that we'll get more support at like a higher level when this white line, this EMA, starts creeping up higher as the days and weeks go by here. I would have to go into like maybe the 4-hour chart here or the 1-hour chart. Yeah, so like I see like $1.89 being a good support area for XRP if the price comes down. That also happens to be where the blue EMA is. The blue the blue moving average of the 100 moving average here is currently sitting at $1.96. So about $1.96 down to like $1.86 is a good support area for XRP. If you guys see XRP get down to those levels, that just might be another buying opportunity, another area of value where you can get some cheap XRP. But XRP is also creating some support here at the $2.20 level as well. So it has to probably go down below $2.20 before you could scoop some up at like $1.80, $1.90 over here. Okay, so that's my analysis on XRP. Let me see if I have any requests, guys. Go ahead and make a request for your favorite cryptocurrency that you want me to talk about, and then I'll go ahead and review them on the charts here. I'm ready to start taking some requests. But if I don't get a request right now, then I'm gonna go ahead and look at Solana here. Yes, Avidar, be aware of the XRP scam sites. And Steezy, you're right. We gotta smash through $3 on XRP. That's like a psychological target on XRP. But just looking back at the chart here, just the local top right now is just sitting at $2.90. So technically, we got to get through $2.90. Then we got to get through $3 for XRP psychological target, and then $3.46, I believe, will be the next target. That's the 2618 Fibonacci analysis that I did previously on the last impulse move that XRP made. Okay, I might have to update those numbers, but yeah, I'm gonna stick with that for now on XRP. Let's look at the Solana here, guys. I've read an article here that Solana's DEX transactions are really pumping up, getting more money into the ecosystem here. And this article is coming from Crypto.news. They're saying that 62% of Solana's DEX transactions, as decentralized exchanges, they belong to Pump.fund. And then they say, what keeps it going? All right. So Pump.fund is dominating Solana's DEX market, even though they have scandals that are rocking the ecosystem and raising questions about its sustainability. Pump.fund's revenue took a dip. Okay, the crypto world is no stranger to wild trends, but every so often something truly captivating comes along to reshape the narrative. Pump.fund is a platform that's built on the Solana blockchain that makes creating and trading meme coins as effortless as snapping your fingers. Okay, In November alone, Pump.Fund hit its stride, recording its highest ever monthly revenue at a staggering $93.88 million. This marked a jaw-dropping leap from $30 million in October and $14 million in September, reflecting over 200% month-on-month growth from October and an incredible 548% surge compared to September. And you can see here's the revenues that are going into Pump.Fund. They had a very stellar, noteworthy November right here, where they made a lot of money. Okay, a lot of revenue came in on Pump.Fund, and we'll see what December can do. However, Pump.Fund, they soared to financial heights. Cracks in its ecosystem began to surface. By late November, revenue showed early signs of strain. Weekly revenue has peaked at $33 million for the week ending November 17th. It slid to $25 million by November 27th. Then came the crash. By the week ending December 1st, revenue plummeted to just $6 million. The decline wasn't caused by typical market fluctuations, but rather by a scandal that shook the platform to its core, a live stream feature introduced to boost user engagement. Okay, this is where they got themselves in trouble here, guys. Okay. Reports started to emerge that users were exploiting the live stream feature to broadcast disturbing and explicit content, including violence and horrifying material involving minors and animals. I've heard that some people were threatening to commit suicide if people didn't buy their meme coin. And that was going on the live streams on Pump.Fund here. Okay. That uproar forced Pump.Fund to remove the live stream feature amid widespread commendation from the crypto community. Surprisingly, the controversy hasn't quelled enthusiasm for the meme coin ecosystem. As of December 3rd, the combined market cap of these coins has exceeded $6.5 billion, placing them ahead of more than 70% of the top 100 cryptocurrencies. Okay. Pump.Fund has become a fertile ground for meme coins that are not just quirky, but also astonishingly profitable. Okay. The platform's meme coins have taken the decentralized exchange activity on Solana by storm, accounting for 62% of all transactions in November. This figure has been steadily climbing up from 60% in October and 57% in August. Guys, I think I should show you, well, actually, we'll talk a little bit more here. One of the more popular coins that was created here was ACT, okay, ACT AI Prophecy. This token posted returns of 3,750% over the past month, trading at 51 cents with a market cap of $500 million. Okay, so that's one popular meme coin that got created on Pump.Fund. Then another one was Peanut the Squirrel, which is a meme coin that soared by 1,300% in the last 30 days. It's now trading at $1.20 with a market cap of $1.2 billion. Peanut was launched as a tribute to Peanut the Squirrel, a beloved internet mascot with a devoted fan base. After Peanut's untimely death, the coin tapped into waves of public nostalgia and sympathy, turning collective grief into a speculative goldmine. And then there's another Pump.Fund coin that came out, and that one's called Chill Guy. Has been the most viral token, okay? Since hitting an all-time low of 0.006, Chill Guy has skyrocketed by over 8,300%. It is now trading at 49 cents here. Although it peaked at 65 cents, the token has since retraced by about 22%. The success of these tokens isn't reshaping the meme coin narrative. It isn't just reshaping the meme coin narrative. It's also deeply influencing the Solana ecosystem. Critics are arguing that such reliance on speculative meme-driven economy could be risky. An economy built on this will not make it, says Millie, the project lead at Ethereum. Okay, so I think that's just, Ethereum is throwing some shade on Solana right now, saying that this is not sustainable. This is not good. But you know what? Meme coins can be created on Ethereum as well. It's just that everybody is putting them on Solana because it's cheaper to use than Ethereum. So Ethereum could probably be going through these crazy times too, but they're not because they're too expensive. But anyways, let me show you guys what pump.fun here looks like. Okay. So for my YouTube live streamers here, this is what pump.fun looks like. Okay. This is the website, and you can search for any token here. You can even create your own token, literally so easy, by just clicking on the right here where it says start new coin. You start a new coin, and then you type in the name of your coin, you give it the ticker symbol, you give a little description of what it's about, you put an image or a video, and then you create the coin. And I think it only I think after your coin gets a lot more attention and it starts creating a bonding curve here, they'll pay you half a Solana, which is, I believe, like $115. They'll give you like $100 after you create your meme coin, and if it's successful. Okay. So this is just a crazy way. People are just creating as many coins as they possibly can here. You have all these meme coins that are being featured right now. They got Pink Panther over here. What else? Santa Lady. Oh my God. Is this The Rock? Dwayne Johnson? They got a Dwayne Johnson coin. We'll go into some of the more popular, some of the higher market cap coins. Okay. If I sort it by market cap here, yeah, as you can see, like as we were talking about earlier, there's Peanut the Squirrel coin right there, which was created on this website. Then you got another one called Godus Maximus, that has a market cap of $825 million. Peanut has $1.4 billion in it. Oh my God. Then this other one, AI Prophecy, that one has $600 million in it right now. Moondang, $478 million. FWOG, Chill Guy, okay, Chill Guy, $427 million in it. These are the more popular meme coins that just recently got created, and look at them. It's only been like 1 month. These coins, I've been around for like 1 month, and they already got like $100 million in them. Okay, and Peanut the Squirrel was created 1 month, and Peanut the Squirrel, right, has almost $2 billion. It has a $1.4 billion, and it was created 1 month ago. What the hell? And if you guys want to know where you can get these coins, you can probably get them off the Phantom wallet or any of the Solana dexes like Radium or Orca, okay, which have been also very popular these days. Let me see what my live streamers here are saying on YouTube here. Steezy thinks meme coins are bad for crypto. That's your opinion, Steezy. Meme coins are possible, so they're going to be around whether you like it or not. Meme coins, I think, are actually good for crypto because it gets people excited about crypto, and it gets people to start learning more about crypto and how to use it, and learning about decentralized finance and decentralized exchanges and how to put things on a wallet and then put it onto a cold storage wallet. So it's great for beginners to learn more about crypto. So I think meme coins are good in that sense. Okay. But as far as like investing and trading, I wouldn't really throw more than $100. Like I wouldn't throw more than what you would spend going out for beer drinking money. Okay. On meme coins, because it's crazy. You could lose half your money or 80% of your money. And then, and you're hoping to get like 100x or 1,000x, but with meme coins, you could lose a good majority of your money. And if you're gonna lose a good majority of money, you want to keep it less than what you would probably spend going out for a night of drinking. To be honest with you, that's what I tell my friends. Yeah, here's the thing, Steezy. You can get rug pull on what you think is a legitimate coin, same way as you would get rug pull on a meme coin. So it's like, maybe after more people get hurt with the rug pulls on meme coins, maybe people will finally learn that meme coins is just not where it's at. You want to be in the more blue chip cryptos like Bitcoin and Solana, XRP, Ethereum, Avalanche. Those are the meme coins you guys want to, those are the cryptos that you want to be invested in because they aren't rug pulls. They're solid cryptos. So yeah, let's take a look at the Solana one more time here. Okay. I did notice that a lot of the decentralized exchanges, okay, like Uniswap, Orca, Radium, they've all been very successful. We'll just look at the Solana dexes, see what they have about news for Solana dexes. And as you can see, this article right here is saying that Solana dominates in decentralized exchange volumes. This article is coming from ZX Crypto. And they're saying here that Solana dominates in volumes as Solana rally stalls. Okay, so Solana itself hasn't been doing so well, but the decentralized exchanges have been doing phenomenal here, because once again, those meme coins is where people are creating meme coins, they're buying meme coins, and then they're selling them on the dexes here, the decentralized exchanges. So here, as we read on this article, it says that Solana has been stuck in range-bound consolidation, given that it has posted the lowest gains in the last 7 days among the top 10 largest cryptos by market cap. Solana traded at $236 at press time after a 1.8% loss in 24 hours. Despite the underperformance, the Solana blockchain continues to lead in terms of adoption. Data from DeFi Llama shows that the blockchain posted the highest decentralized exchange volumes in the last 30 days. The 30-day DEX volumes on Solana stood at $129 billion, nearly 2 times the DEX volumes of the $70 billion, which was recorded on Ethereum. So Solana is just eating Ethereum's lunch when it comes to DEX volumes here. They have almost twice the amount of volume as Ethereum. The Solana blockchain is also witnessing similar growth in December, as it already is leading with DEX volumes of $19 billion month to date. So Solana is also doing pretty well in the month of December as far as DEX volumes goes. The rise in volumes have also contributed to the surge in decentralized finance, DeFi activity on Solana. The blockchain's total value lock, the TVL, has increased from $5.69 billion to $8.98 billion, ranking it the third largest blockchain by TVL. Solana decentralized app volume surge. Besides the rise in DeFi activity, the Solana blockchain has also significantly increased decentralized app volumes. Per DApp Radar, the DApp volumes on the network has increased by 80% to $9.3 billion. The other DApp metrics on the network that also saw a significant rise include unique active wallets, which increased by 0.24%, while transactions soared by 10% to 604 million. Much of the activity came amid a meme coin mania on the blockchain attributed to Pump.Fun meme coin launchpad. The total market cap for tokens launched on Pump.Fun has increased to $6.8 billion per CoinGecko after a significant increase. Despite the DeFi and DApp activity, Sol continues to trade with a range-bound market and has underperformed compared to other top altcoins. Guys, I'm not really worried about Solana going down in price here, and I'll tell you why, okay? Because everybody that's buying these meme coins, if they want to then sell their meme coins, they have to sell it to go back. They have to sell into Solana. So they have to sell their meme coin and then buy Solana in order to take their profits. So Solana will eventually start to go up once the meme coin frenzy kind of calms down a little bit. You'll see that money go right back into Solana again. But the other good bit of news for Solana is that the ETFs are coming out, or they should be coming out. It goes on here to say that the world's largest digital asset manager, Grayscale, they filed for a spot Solana exchange traded fund, an ETF. According to Bloomberg ETF analyst James Seffert, the filing has raised the odds of an approval. Okay. A lot of super bullish posting on Solana ETF launches and in his mentions. He says that he thinks it's a matter of when, not if, under Trump's future SEC admin. But by no means does that equate to it's happening imminently. So what I can see, guys, here is right now, SEC Chairman Gary Gensler is threatening to not approve any more crypto ETFs. But the thing is that he's going to be leaving next month, so that's not really that big of a deal. But there are some deadlines coming up in January for Solana ETFs, so they might get rejected, and that might cause the price of Solana to go down. As a matter of fact, we can look at Solana right now on the charts here, see what it's doing. But I think, like, you know, we're probably going to get a pump here as we continue pumping in crypto with Bitcoin. Let's see, what is Bitcoin currently at right now? Bitcoin is still flirting with $100,000. But I see Bitcoin going to like 120 grand in the near future. I see Solana going up to like $300 in the near future, like in the next month or later on this month. And then I then see maybe like a cool down in January. Some investors taking profits in January here in the United States. If you sell in, you know, next month or next year, you don't have to pay taxes on that until 2026. So I think we might see some selling, a sell-off or a bad January, maybe a flat January at the best. But I do see crypto cooling off in January. And then once Donald Trump's new administration comes into play and we start getting some more clarification and visibility as to like what they're going to do with crypto, I have a feeling that it's going to be positive for crypto, and we'll see a good February and a good March for crypto, and Solana will probably go up to higher prices because of that. And right now, Solana is currently trading at $236.37. Okay, right over here. And you know what I needed to see here on the Solana chart. Okay, we needed $221 to defend. We needed the bulls to defend it, and they did. We almost had a scare back here right on Tuesday, December 3rd, when we got below $220, but that wasn't for too long. It lasted less than 4 hours, and we got above the $220 level. And just looking at the daily chart here for Solana, Solana was in a falling wedge, which is bullish, okay? Especially when it already came out of a bull trend already. And this right here is creating what I would call a bull flag, okay? And if you measure from the bottom of that bull flag to the top of the bull flag, and you take it to like where Solana is breaking out right now at the $220, $230 level, it says that we could have a $330 Solana, that blue number right there, in the near future. And if you want a target date, if it maintains that trend, looks like sometime around Christmas time, we might see $300 Solana. Okay. Also, looking at the Solana chart, I could just already visualize it right here. We have like an inverted head and shoulder, which would be a little bit more pronounced. If I go into the 1 hour chart here, you should be able to see that inverted head and shoulder. Wow, I got so much going on here. I got to clean this up here. Let me just delete this here. Okay. All right. So, yeah. Looks like Solana was creating an inverted head and shoulder pattern here, which would shoot it up to the upside. But we're currently trading sideways here on Solana. So, what gives, guy? Are you guys not buying Solana? Maybe people are selling their Solana to go buy meme coins instead. I don't know. Maybe that's going on here. Let me look at see what you guys are saying in the chat here. Avidar, upcoming regulation will weed out a lot of meme coins. We'll see. We'll see. I can't see that being a bad thing. RS says they have news. Okay. Some people watching the rug pull and say F crypto. Jasmy coin has no more room to grow. All right, we'll take a look at Jasmy after this. Solana's the bridge. I learned something from you again. I appreciate you learning as much as you can, Steezy, from me. I try to be as educational as I possibly can. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an educator here, trying to educate you guys about crypto. So I appreciate the fact that you're learning something here. In 1,300 years, your 5 million Shiba Inu will make you a millionaire. Yes, pray for that as well. I hope so too. I also have Shiba Inu myself, so maybe I'll be a millionaire just right there with you. You can come to my yacht party. I want to see you become a millionaire because I want to go to your yacht party, and then you can come to my mansion party. Okay, we'll both be crypto millionaires. But yeah, crypto's been good to me so far. I can see it helping me out in the future and becoming a millionaire in the future here. Let's see. Do I have any requests here on my TikTok? None that I can see so far. Okay. We'll look at Jasmy coin. Okay, Jasmy coin has had a pretty good, solid week. Last time I looked at it. Let's go ahead and look at Jasmy. Jasmy coin is currently trading at 4 cents, just under 5 cents, at 0.04865 cents here. Okay. I'm looking at the 1 hour chart on Jasmy. Looks like Jasmy is starting to create a symmetrical triangle here, which is once again just another bull flag. Okay. We might bounce down. We might get as low as like 4.043 cents here before we bounce up to like maybe 5.5 cents on Jasmy. And if it just respects this pattern as much as it can, it will stay at roughly 5 cents in the near future here, guys. And when I say near future, I'm talking about this is the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour time frame here. It looks like we'll get some resolution on December 17th here. Okay. So like between this week and next week, Jasmy's got to make a decision. Is it going to go out of this triangle, or is it going to go, is it going to go to the top side and break out to the upside, or is it going to break down to the downside here? And if Jasmy does break out, okay, let me just go to the daily chart here. I mean, Jasmy has already had a significant breakout, and just using trend analysis here, that would be the bull flag right there, okay? And if Jasmy decides to break out to the upside, we're looking at maybe a 9, maybe a 10-cent Jasmy in the near future here. So, yeah. Is that possible? I mean, we have seen Jasmy at like 10 cents back in 2021. So, yeah, it is possible. The bearish case on Jasmy is that we break down below. We break out of this symmetrical triangle that we're creating right now, okay? And we might come down to like where we were back on like Tuesday, December 3rd, and Wednesday, December 4th, where we were trading at like roughly 4 cents. So I see 4 cents being not only a technical level, but also a psychological level that investors will probably try to scoop up Jasmy at 4 cents, and they won't let it go below 4 cents. But if it does go below 4 cents, then look out below, because we don't have any support until we get down to 2 cents here, okay, on Jasmy. And if I pull up the moving averages here, I mean, is there any support? There's not really that much support on the daily chart here. We do have the white EMA trying to creep up. It has like 3 cents is the 21 exponential moving average white line right here. Could give us some support if we do come down below 4 cents. Maybe we settle at 3 cents. But if it breaks through that, then the rest of the moving averages and also the price resistance support areas are saying that 2 cents should be the support level for Jasmine if it does decide to drop down for whatever reason here. But that's the bearish case. The bullish case is that we keep on going to 10 cents. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera back on the TikTok stream here so you guys can see my lovely face here. All righty. Yeah. Guys, go ahead and make a request on your favorite cryptocurrencies. We're going to take a look at Coin Market to see which were some of the best performing cryptos this past week. But if you have an altcoin you want me to look at, go ahead and put in that request. And there we go. Steezy has said Pepe. So let's take a look at Pepe. I believe Pepe is one of the high performing coins here for this past week. And yeah, we have Pepe currently at 0.00026, or we'll just say 2612, up 4.8% today. We got about one more hour left here before the daily candle closes on Pepe. I don't like this chart. Let me use a different exchange here. We'll use Binance here. Okay, yeah, Binance has more data. Yep. Binance here is showing that Pepe was in a bull flag here, a descending bull flag. Okay, could have called it maybe a descending channel here on the daily chart. Pepe did see like highs back in November 14th, where we saw it get as high as 25.97. But right now, Pepe is currently trading higher than that high. So Pepe is currently making higher highs. And I think that is Pepe is at the all-time highs and the highs for the year. So with Pepe being at highs for the year, I mean, it's a high-risk bet. You know, you're basically riding the momentum that this thing is just going to keep going to higher prices here. If I was trying to get into Pepe for the very first time here, you could maybe buy a small position in Pepe and then see if it comes back down to this white EMA line here and buy some more Pepe at like 2,080. Okay, where the 21 white moving average is at. Okay, that white line there. If Pepe does go further below that, I mean, I think we have some support here at like 1830, 1800 level, where we have some price support areas over there. This kind of looks like almost like a double bottom area as well. So that should be a significant area for Pepe investors and bulls to try to defend. And then I'm also expecting this green moving average line to start creeping up, and that should also give us some support at 1800. So that's the bearish case on Pepe. But the bullish case on Pepe, you know, I did say it came out of a bull flag here. And if you just measure from the bottom of that flag to the top of the flagpole and you put it over to where Pepe's breaking out right now, you know, you're looking at maybe a 3,900 or a 4,000 Pepe, which, you know, if I was to measure how much of a percentage gain that is from where it is right now, you're looking at like maybe a 50% move in Pepe in the near future here if Pepe continues on being bullish. Okay, so that's Pepe right there. That's the bearish and bullish case on Pepe. Let me go ahead and look at coinmarketcap.com here, guys. See what's going on in CoinMarketCap. Let me just refresh the data here. And you can see that Bitcoin is currently trading just above the $100,000 psychological level at 100,117. Ethereum is now above the 4,000 psychological level, currently trading at $4,003. XRP at $2.59. Be on the lookout for XRP's interview with Brad Garlinghouse at 7 p.m. East Coast time here on the 60-minute show broadcast. Solana is currently just hanging around at $236. BNB is at $7.42. Dogecoin at 46 cents. Cardano $1.19. USDC, USDC is always $1. Tron 31 cents. Avalanche looks like it's getting more of a bid right now. It's at $53.89. Shiba Inu 32.07. Toncoin $6.77. Link $26.13. Polkadot $10.39. Up 12% this past week. Stellar not looking so stellar this week, down 8%, currently trading at 49 cents. HBAR Hedera at 32 cents, up 55% this week. Sui's also been having a good week as well, up at $4.21. Traders love to bid things up to like $4.20. Silly guys. But yeah, Sui is up almost 21% this week. Bitcoin Cash had a good week as well, up 16% at $618. Uniswap $18.49, $18.49, up 40% for the week. And then, we already talked about Pepe and Litecoin at $135, up 14%. Near Protocol at $7.78, up 12%. So these cryptos are kicking butts and taking names here, guys. Let's see who's had like some of the best weeks here, okay? So in the last 7 days here, we had a cryptocurrency called Curve, CRV, up 79%. One of the best gainers out of the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Then we have BitGet token up 64% for the week. And we just talked about Jasmy. Jasmy's having a good week as well, up 64% for the week. Then we got Mogcoin, up 59%. DYDX, up 55.86%. And then HBAR, up 55% for the week. IOTA, up 53%. And Tron, 52%. So a lot of 50% gainers here, including even like VeChain over here, up 46%, which is a pretty solid week. And then we got Uniswap, which is a decentralized exchange. That one's up 40%. Gala, they're up 38.9%. Aerodrome, another decentralized exchange, up 38%. Chainlink had a good week, 38%. And the list just keeps going on and on and on here, guys, okay? But let's take a look at HBAR, because I believe HBAR had a pretty good weekend here. All right, let's take a look at HBAR. So HBAR is currently trading at 32 cents here, down 1% today. The daily candle closes at about 1 hour from now. And like I said, HBAR did have a good, not a good Saturday, but had a good Friday. It was up 25% on Friday. And then a few days before that, it was up 49% on Monday, last Monday, earlier this week. Okay. So HBAR is finally getting a bid. Okay. And how high could HBAR possibly go? Well, if we look at some of the chart history here, I mean, this is saying that HBAR has never been this high before. I believe there should be better data out there. Let's see what HBAR on Binance looks like. Okay, yeah, here we go. So HBAR has been at higher prices. Back in like September 2021, we've seen HBAR as high as like 45 cents. So HBAR is getting a bid here. I believe HBAR is related to decentralized finance here. Let me just look at it on coinmarketcap.com to confirm that. If we go to the about section here, HBAR, right, does smart contracts, It's a native cryptocurrency of the Hedera Hashgraph platform. They're trying to position themselves as a traditional blockchain technology, and they're trying to excel in speed, efficiency, and security. I thought they had more to do with DeFi here. No, they're just it looks like they're just a layer 1 cryptocurrency. They do NFTs as well. Okay. But anyways, HBAR is looking pretty good. Having a good week, good month so far. Trying to capture the highs that it made back in 2021. Steezy, you want to look at the Bitcoin dominance chart? We looked at that earlier in this live stream here, but we can look at it again. Sure, why not? Let's look at it. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance so you can see what I was looking at earlier. So Bitcoin dominance is currently at 55.18%. Okay. And you can see that the Bitcoin dominance has been dropping ever since November 21st of 2024. We've had a very steep decline here. And that to me signifies that we've basically started altcoin season here. Okay. Because you can see, like, just looking at the history here, the Bitcoin dominance has been creeping up ever since like November of 2022. It's been steadily climbing up in this ascending channel. And let me just go to the moving averages here, but it stayed above this this demand line here for the longest time, and then it broke the demand line in November 21st of last month, and that's signifying to me that altcoin season has started and begun. And the other thing that's also signifying to me that altcoin season is beginning is tether dominance is also dropping too. Okay. But just looking, staying on this chart with the Bitcoin market dominance, we have seen market dominance get as low as like back here in 2018. We've seen it as low as like 38%, okay, 40% in May of 2018. And like we also seen it as low back in 2021. We've seen like 40%. So I would say like the end of altcoin season or the end of the bull run. I mean, altcoin season could probably keep on going, but we're going to get towards the end of the bull run on altcoins when you start seeing like a 40%, 45% market cap dominance on Bitcoin. Okay. That's when I would seriously start considering getting out of altcoins and going back into Bitcoin or maybe going into Tether. Okay. But since I just mentioned Tether, let's look at the Tether dominance here. Okay. If I type in USDT .D, you get the Tether dominance, and Tether dominance is currently at 3.84%. And you can see Tether dominance has been declining ever since like the beginning of September here. People have been selling their Tether to get into Bitcoin, but they're also selling their Bitcoin as well. So if they're selling their Tether and they're selling their Bitcoin, what are they getting into? They're getting into, well, other altcoins. And that over here tells me that we're getting into the beginning of altcoin season, or we're in altcoin season already. Okay. But the thing I would be concerned about right now is that the Tether dominance is at a significant support level, which could mean one of two things. Okay. If Bitcoin starts dropping down in price, okay, then that's also going to take the altcoins down with them. And then Tether dominance is going to increase because of that. As more people get out of altcoins and Bitcoin to try to like prevent themselves from losing too much. Okay. But if Bitcoin creeps up in value and takes altcoins with them, then we're in a risk-on environment. And this Tether dominance might actually break below 3.8, and it might come down to like the 2.6 or 2.5 level, which we were at back in like 2021. We've seen Tether dominance get as low as like 2%. Okay, so if you start seeing like a 2% Tether dominance, maybe it might be time to get back into Tether again, because that might be the end of the bull run if we see a 2% dominance on Tether here. So guys, we have all these indicators here that can help us determine when the end of the bull run and the end of crypto and Bitcoin bull run is going to be over. Okay, we can look at Tether dominance. We can look at the weekly RSI, how overbought and overheated we are. We can look at the Pi cycle indicator to tell us when Bitcoin is coming towards the end of its cycle. Yeah. And we could also look at Google Trends to see how many people are actually Googling Bitcoin and Googling crypto. Because the higher that is, the more likely it is that we're getting towards the end of crypto bull run. We can also look at the Fear and Greed Index as well. That's another indicator. And we can also look at just determining, if crypto is overheated and overbought. We can look at how popular the popular crypto exchanges are, like Coinbase and Kraken. If they're the number 1 and number 2 app on the App Store, on the Apple App Store, then that also signifies that we're towards the end of this bull run as well. George saying that XRP is going to $10,000. George, I don't think that's mathematically possible there. You would need all the money in the world to go into XRP in order for it to go to $10,000. Let's just do that as a learning tool here. Let's try to see if that's even possible here. XRP, you gotta be careful when people say XRP to $10,000. They might just be trying to pump up their coin. I feel like that's what George is trying to do. But the total amount of supply of XRP is at 99 billion XRP. So if you did 10,000 times 99 billion, right? I might need some AI to help me answer this question, but what is 10,000 times 100 billion? Oh my God, what is that? All right. Okay. So here we go. For George, okay? George S. What is $10,000 times 100 billion XRP tokens? You would need $1,000 trillion, not even 100 trillion, $1,000 trillion to go into XRP in order for XRP to be worth $10,000. Okay. $1,000 trillion. Okay. And XRP only has about $147 billion in it. All right. And then let's just go here and just say how much money is in the world. Okay. To see if that's even possible. How much money is in the world? So they're saying here, according to UBS Global Wealth Report 2023, the amount of net private wealth in the world, represents the closest measure to how much money is in the world, and is approximately, there's $454 trillion all around the world. Okay, so there's not even enough money in the world for XRP to go to $10,000. Just keep that in mind. But I mean, maybe in the future, if they keep inflation going and they keep printing money, then maybe we might see $1,000 trillion, and then maybe all of that money then goes into XRP, and then you get XRP at $10,000. All right, so I didn't say it wasn't an impossible. I didn't say it's not possible. It's just highly unlikely that it's going to go to $10,000. Steezy's like, aliens are going to come to invest in XRP, and then we'll be able to push it up to $10,000. Yeah, George, I think you're going to have to be a little bit more realistic with your price targets. I think $100 XRP sounds a lot more reasonable than $10,000 XRP. Guys, go ahead and click that like button, and if you're new to the channel here, go ahead and click that subscribe button, so that way you can see more videos like this on your YouTube feed here. And same thing with my TikTok streamers. If you like coming over here and talking about crypto, then go ahead and click that subscribe follow button. I see Ada joins. Nice to see you. Made it in. Ada, if you have any requests, go ahead and shoot away. Let me know what crypto you want me to talk about next here. Let's go back to coinmarketcap.com. Bitcoin currently at $100,195. $100,300. Look like it's catching some bids here. Yeah, let's go back into Bitcoin here. See what's going on in Bitcoin world here. Bitcoin, $100,250 on Coinbase Exchange. If I zoom in here real quick here, you can see that, we've had some indecision candles here. They're slightly green, but it's just indicating sideways trading here. If I go into the 15-minute chart here, it's just completely flat. Not really doing much on the 15-minute chart. Maybe, just maybe, if you exclude this scam wick here, we have kind of like an ascending triangle here on Bitcoin, roughly. So Bitcoin could just bounce up and down here for the next, probably going into like up until Tuesday here. Maybe Monday at like 17 universal time here. So that's about around like 12 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Maybe Bitcoin will finally decide whether it's going to go up or down here. This is very frustrating for a lot of traders, a lot of short-term day traders like myself. You can't really do much with this. How do you make money? It's not going up or down. It's just going sideways. I've heard there's a conspiracy that they're trying to keep the price of Bitcoin down here, so that way altcoins can actually go for a run here. And then after people make their money in altcoins, they're then going to sell it back into Bitcoin. And then Bitcoin will start running up in price as well. But there's really not much you can do with what Bitcoin is doing here. It's just a symmetrical triangle. And these symmetrical triangles, they can break out to the upside or the downside. If you're going to measure from the top of the triangle to the bottom of the triangle, which gives you the measure move here. If Bitcoin drops down out of this triangle, which is 50-50 if you go one way or the other. But we could see Bitcoin drop all the way back down to like $91,000 here. If it can't catch a bid. But if Bitcoin does start getting some more bids here, then we could see Bitcoin break out of the triangle and go as high as $109,000, just shy of 110 grand here. That's if you're going to use chart pattern analysis here using the symmetrical triangle that I just drew here. Hello, Mary Carmen. Nice to see you come in. Hate to see you leave. Oh damn! Did I didn't even share that tab on my YouTube. I'm sorry there, guys. So like I was saying earlier, Bitcoin's in a symmetrical triangle. If it breaks out to the upside, we're looking at a $109,000 price target here. If for some reason it breaks down to the downside here, we're looking at like a $91,000 Bitcoin here in the future. George is saying, what about decentralized science? You a science guy? Are you like Bill Nye, the science guy over here? George S., the science guy? Let's see if I can pull up that chart. Decentralized. Do you know the ticker symbol? George, I need some help here. Do you know what the ticker symbol is for decentralized science? Because I don't see anything coming up over here. Let me look at Coin Market. Maybe I can find it on Coin Market. George, I need like a ticker symbol. I can't really look at anything if there's nothing to look at. I'm not really seeing anything here for decentralized science. Let me I'll try Googling it here, see what comes up. DESCI on CoinGecko. All right. So it's not even the name of a crypto. It's just the name of a category. Okay, so decentralized science is a category of coins that are related to decentralized science. And it looks like there's a few coins out there. There's like Origin Trail, Vitadeo, Research Coin. Okay, let's look at Research Coin. What does it have? Research Coin has a market cap of $92 million. Okay. So what is it? Research Coin is at 96 cents. Let's see what's done in the past year. It's been around, for a while here, but it looks like it got as low as like 13 cents on July 10th. But like now we're at $1 here, and we got the pump around, the Trump pump pretty much sent us higher because, Research Coin was at like 20 cents, and then it jumped up to like 90 cents like 2 weeks after Trump got elected. How long has this coin been around for? It says it's been around since like December of 2022. Okay, Research Coin. If you want to buy a Research Coin, you can get it on Gate.io, XT.com, Uniswap. They got a Twitter. They got a website here. Okay. So that's Research Coin. Research Coin has a total supply of 1 billion coins. Fully diluted value is at $963 million. Market cap is $92 million. So I would be careful trying to get in this coin because it looks like there's a few more token unlocks. You're going to get dumped on at some point here, or maybe constantly dumped on as the days and weeks go by. But there you go, George. George, there's your decentralized science coin right there. And you got some more of them here besides Research Coin. You got Origin Trail, Vitadeo. Yeah. Those are your coins that you can look at. It's just a category. You just type in DeSci, decentralized science, and the CoinGecko is the name of the website that I'm using, and you can learn more about DeSci. Yep, 45 more minutes until Brad Garlinghouse's interview about XRP on the 60-minute broadcast. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum has been doing pretty well this past week as well. Okay, Ethereum. Ethereum is currently trading at $3,966 here. Uh-oh. Okay. Yeah, $3,998, just shy of $4,000, just flirting with $4,000. And Ethereum has been doing sideways trading, just like Bitcoin has over this past weekend here. But you can see Ethereum had like a pump on Friday. You know, Ethereum was like $3,800, and it shot up to like $4,068. I think even it got higher than that, like $4,080. Yeah, $4,096 on Ethereum. If I use the moving averages here, yep, it's just trading it. I'm going to go into the daily chart on Ethereum. Get a big picture view of Ethereum here. So what I see for Ethereum is, you know, Ethereum was in this ascending channel for like the longest time here. And I believe Ethereum could get up to like $4,850 in the near future here if it continues breaking out. Because and I get that target because I just measured the measure move from this this bull flag that I was creating, and I brought it to the breakout where it's breaking out near like 3,800, and it says that Ethereum could get up to like $4,800 here, which would be the all-time high. That would be basically contesting against the all-time highs that it made back in like November of 2021 here. Guys, excuse me for a moment here. I'm going to go grab some more water. My lips are getting parched here. Amy did say thoughts on GNON. All right, yeah, just let me go grab some water here real quick, and then I'll give you my thoughts on GNON. Just give me a second here. All right, we talk about GNON. Ethereum is currently back above $4,000 here. Let me go ahead and flip the camera here so you can see what the charts look like here on GNON. GNON. Currently trading at roughly 2 cents here. GNON. Oh, wow. Yeah, looks like you're going bottom hunting here. Okay. This data is coming off of CoinEx. GNON looks like it became, it started trading on October 22nd, about a month ago, 2 months ago. And it had that significant drop down in price. Oh my God, it had like a 75% drop on Thursday, October 24th. But I do see a double bottom here, okay? And a nice rounded bottoms. We love rounded bottoms in crypto world. We love rounded bottoms in investing and trading world here, okay? Let me get rid of the moving averages here. But GNON got as low as about 0.003 here in November 4th. And then it shot up. The Trump pump shot it up. And it got as high as like 4.5 cents. only for it to then get sold off. But it created a higher low because it never got back to this level here. Okay. So you have like a valley here, and then you have like another rising valley over here. And now here we are. We're shooting back up again on December 5th here. We shot back up to try to get back up to like the 3-4 cent level. This is a brand spanking new coin, or at least the data is new on CoinX here. I'm a little bit curious what kind of cryptocurrency GNON is. Is that a meme coin? I'm gonna have to look at the CoinGecko here. See what kind of coin that is. GNON. It's new to me. Numagran. It's related to Solana. Oh, I can already. My guess is it's a meme coin here. Yeah, you know, let me look it out on CoinMarketCap. CoinMarket has like a better about section. Come on. Yeah, give me GNON. Numagram. What is it all about? No less than rally. Whatever else is believed. Whatever is suspending them. What about delays? Whatever cannot be decided yet, even as rally happens. Yeah, this has got to be a meme coin here. Because it's on the Solana ecosystem. You can buy it on Radium, Mexi. You can buy it on Orca. Yeah, so this is like a Solana meme coin here. So my thoughts is that it's a meme coin, so you trade at your own risk here. The fully diluted value is at 21.89 million. Market cap's at 21.89 million, so you're not going to get dumped on. There is 1 billion GNON coins out there. So this is a meme coin where you could possibly lose 50 or 80% of your money. So like, you know, going back to trading view here. Okay. Fake gene coin. Yeah, going back to trading view here, you know, this coin could drop down to about 1 cent and you lose half your money right now. However, it could also pump up to like maybe 4 cents or even 8 cents, and you could like double or quadruple your money. So this is just a meme coin. My thoughts on meme coins is don't put more than $100 into them. Because you can end up losing half your money. If you put $1,000, you end up having only $500, or maybe even $200 if it drops down 80%. What coin do I think Tupac would buy if he was alive today? Maybe he'll buy his own coin, like Tupac coin. There's got to be a Tupac coin out there. Let's see. Let's see if there's a Tupac coin. There's got to be a Tupac coin out there. Tupac. Yeah. There's a Tupac coin on Solana. You got Tupac coin on Solana. Currently trading at 0.001. I'm assuming that Tupac would have bought that coin. If not, he would have created that coin if Tupac was still alive. You're funny, George. I like it. Capone coin? Is that a real coin out there, Steezy? Capone coin? Like Al Capone? Let's see. Al Capone. Okay. All right, let's look it up. Let's look at it. Al Capone. Oh boy. So there is an Altcoin coin. You can get it on Uniswap right now. And Altcoin coin is currently trading at $2 and not $2, 0.0002908, 2,908. Jesus Christ. What is the name of this thing? Altcoin coin. Oh my god. Yeah, I can't even get it on TradingView here. This is something that I have to look at Coin Market just to these coins they barely first of all, they don't have that much market cap. Okay. What is the market? It's like there's only $2,000. There's only like $3,000 in this coin. Come on. That's like you and your buddy put some money into this coin. You know, this has got to be another Solana meme coin. You want to double your money on Altcoin coin? Maybe. Yeah, let's see if there's any other coins you guys want me to talk about here. We talk about Ethereum and Altcoin coin here. Let's see if any other coins. Let's look at let's look at what should we call it? What's the name of that? Let's see what's on the Phantom wallet for coins here. Oh, can't show you that. Let's see. Al Capone. Actually, I probably should have just went to pump.com, see what's out there. Yeah, let me look at pump.fun here. Oh, what the? I lost my page. I'm sorry. All right, let's just look at pump.fun, see what's out there. And meme coin roll. So here are some of the more popular meme coins that are on the Solana ecosystem. As I've said earlier, you've probably seen this since earlier in the video here. Let's see. Let's see who created, like, what is the most recently created coin just now? Oh my God. These coins just come out like 4 seconds ago. Look at all these people just creating coins right now. This one has a market cap. Justice for my mom. There's a Justice for my mom coin. Oh my God. Let me see. Where is this? Let me go ahead and show this here, guys. So like these coins are being created literally as we speak right now. Okay, on pumpfund.com. I put the creation time as I sorted it through creation time, and yeah, right now there's like $6,000 in some of these coins here. They created like 20 seconds ago. Somebody just created a Justice for my mom coin. Oh my God, I don't know what that is all about. I hope they're not serious. I hope that's just a joke. I hope someone's mom is not really in that much trouble, but I think some people might be creating some of these coins as like almost like a GoFundMe for whatever cause that they're trying to support. And they'll put up a picture. All right, what is this? So someone put a coin up. They put a picture of the guy that killed the CEO for United Health. They're making a coin called Mr. Mexico. They put a Mexican hat on him. I just click on it. Oh, God. Mr. Mexico. I pierce my skin and I buzz my hair. I'm going to Mexico. Yeah. Mr. Mexico coin was created just 2 minutes ago. Oh my God. Meme coins. Meme coins is great for laughs, man. I wouldn't take these things serious, except for the high market cap coins that have like over $500 million in them. But it looks like one of the newest ones already has $1.5 billion in it. Peanut the Squirrel looks like it's going to be around for a while, maybe. It's only been around for 1 month and it has $1.5 billion in it. And then this Act 1 Prophecy coin, I can see this one being around for a while as well. It has $606 million in it. Yeah. Guys, I think I'm just going to end the stream here on this meme coin frenzy stuff here. If you're interested in creating your own meme coin, you can check out pump.fun. It's really that easy. All you got to do is click, start a new coin. You create the name, create the ticker symbol, describe it a little bit, put an image and a video, and then you click create coin and you got yourself a coin. That's how they're doing it here in meme coin world. But if you guys are, if you guys are liking the stream and you want to be a part of the Meet Damien community here, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Start a Meet Damien coin. Maybe that might be, that might be something in the future here. A Meet Damien coin. I gotta go see if there's other like YouTube, streamers and whatnot, if they're creating their own coins. I'm a little bit curious now if some of my favorite guys I like to watch, like I like watching a Crypto Lifer, Mitch Ray, as far as the cryptocurrency streamers go. Eric Crown's also a good crypto streamer as well. I'm wondering if they've created coins themselves or someone created one for them already. But yeah, guys, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you're new to the community, and go ahead and click that like button if you got some good information out of this video. And yeah, I look forward to doing another live stream. I'm not sure if I'm going to go live tomorrow unless Bitcoin goes to all-time highs again. Then I'll go live. I'll probably be doing some short videos here, putting up some stuff on TikTok. If you guys would like to join my TikTok channel, go ahead and check out the Meet Damien TikTok channel, and you'll see me making some videos over there. I also got a Twitter as well, a Meet Damien Twitter. You can look me up on Twitter. Let me see if I can pull it up real quick here. If I go to the Meet Damien Twitter, yeah. Let me just go ahead and share that one more time here so you guys can see the Meet Damien Twitter. Yeah, you could find me on Twitter as well to stay connected with me and ask questions and see what I've been posting up lately. Like I posted up this recent stream here, so you guys can also know when I go live again. Okay, but yeah, this is the Meet Damien Twitter here. I am Damien. This is the Meet Damien channel, and I appreciate you guys coming out here. And I'll see you on the next live stream. Take care, guys.